Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to make a clean app mockup using Photoshop. Today we will visualize your mobile app idea beautifully. Download a phone mockup template and open it in Photoshop. Visualize your mobile app beautifully. Download a phone mockup template and open it in Photoshop. Replace the screen using Smart Object and insert your app UI. Adjust screen reflections and shadows to make it look natural. Add a soft drop shadow beneath to advise the realism. If you are showcasing multiple screens, align them diagonally with slight rotation. Add your logo or tagline above for presentation. Finally, tweak curves for perfect lighting. Once export, you have a presentation image